Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your existing account on the Squad Busters game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Squad Busters game on your device, and once you open it up, complete through the basic tutorial levels, and you will be allowed the access to the home screen. From here, you can tap on the menu icon at the top right corner, and then tap on the connect button underneath Supercell ID to log into your account. After you have logged in, if you wish to delete this account and all of its progress, just tap on more settings, and now if you scroll all the way down, you will see the delete my account option. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will need to tap on the delete my data button from the page that this will open up. After confirming that you wish to delete your account, you will be logged out from your Squad Busters game, and now the game will start all the way from the beginning, or it will revert back into whatever progress was left within your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on the Squad Busters game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.